You don't need money to start a business in 2025. You need the right tools. That's right. Forget the outdated idea that success only comes after a big investment. In today's AI-powered world, all you really need is a laptop, an internet connection, and the courage to get started. So if you've been waiting for the perfect moment or the right budget, let me stop you right there. That moment is now. That budget is zero. In this video, I'm giving you 5 AI-based business ideas that you can start from scratch with $0. No capital, no office, no expensive gear. Just your brain, your determination, and the power of artificial intelligence. Stick with me, because each of these ideas is more than just a quick side hustle. These are actual paths to sustainable income. Whether you're a student, a stay-at-home parent, or someone who's just tired of the 9-to-5 grind, there's something here for you. Ready? Let's dive into the top 5 AI business ideas you can start with $0. 1. Chatbot services. Build bots, boost business. Let's kick things off with chatbot services. You've seen them everywhere, those little pop-up assistants on websites that ask, "Hi, how can I help you today?" Guess what? Businesses love them, and they need people like you to set them up. Now, the average small business doesn't have the time or the know-how to build a chatbot. That's where you come in. With free tools like ManyChat, TDO, BotPress, or Chatbase, you can start building chatbots using drag-and-drop interfaces. No coding required. And if you really want to level up, pair it with OpenAI's GPT-4 or Meta's LLaMA to create smart, conversational bots that can answer FAQs, schedule appointments, and even close sales. You might be thinking, but who's going to pay me for that? Restaurants, dental clinics, gyms, coaches, online stores, all of them. You can start by offering your services to local businesses in your city, or reach out via email and social media. Offer to build the first bot for free or at a super low price just to build a portfolio. Then, once you've proven what you can do, start charging $300 to $1,000 per project, sometimes even more with monthly maintenance plans. 0 investment. Infinite potential. 2. AI copywriting. Turn words into wealth. Now let's talk about AI copywriting. This one is a goldmine. In the age of content, every business needs writing. Blog posts, product descriptions, social media captions, email newsletters, video scripts, ad copy. The list goes on, but here's the twist. You don't have to be a professional writer to start. With tools like ChatGPT, Copy.ai, or Jasper, you can generate high-quality content in minutes. Here's how it works. A client gives you a topic, and you feed that into the AI. You refine the output, polish it, and deliver it back. It's that simple. Start by offering services on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or LinkedIn. Begin small, maybe writing blog articles for startups or product descriptions for online sellers. Once you gain some momentum, you can niche down, focus only on email marketing, or just real estate blogs, or become the go-to AI copywriter for SaaS companies. And here's the best part. While you're making money for clients, you're also learning valuable skills in marketing, psychology, and communication. Skills that compound over time. A good AI copywriter can earn $20, $50, or even $100 plus per article depending on complexity. You can write 5 in a day. Do the math. It's fast, it's scalable, and it costs nothing to start. 3. Prompt engineering. Become the AI whisperer. You've probably heard the term prompt engineering floating around lately. But what does it mean? Simply put, prompt engineering is the art of talking to AI in a way that gets the best results. It's not just about typing, "Write me an article," it's about designing prompts that produce specific, high-quality outputs consistently. And guess what? This is a real, in-demand skill right now. Businesses are hiring people who know how to create powerful prompts that save time and boost productivity. Want to help a law firm summarize documents using GPT-4? There's a prompt for that. Want to help a content team brainstorm ideas for a YouTube channel? There's a prompt for that too. The cool part? You can learn prompt engineering for free. OpenAI's documentation, Reddit communities, and YouTube tutorials are gold mines. And once you know what you're doing, you can package your services like this. create custom GPT workflows for businesses, build prompt templates, and sell them on Gumroad or Etsy. Offer prompt consulting for AI tools like Midjourney or Claude Yes. People will pay you to help them talk to AI better. It sounds simple, but it's real. In fact, top freelancers in this field are already earning $50 to $150 per hour just by helping others become more efficient with AI. So if you're good at patterns, language, and creativity, prompt engineering might be your ticket. 4. Affiliate marketing with AI. Smart selling, zero inventory. Number 4 is a personal favorite, affiliate marketing with AI. Now, I know what you're thinking. Affiliate marketing has been around for years, but here's what makes it powerful in 2025. AI tools have completely supercharged how we do it. Here's the basic idea. You promote someone else's product using your unique affiliate link, and when someone makes a purchase, you get a commission. Simple, right? But now imagine you're using ChatGPT to write product reviews, create email campaigns, draft YouTube scripts, write SEO blog posts, generate landing pages. All of that automatically. You can use free tools like Canva and Pictory.ai to turn AI-written content into videos. Then you publish them on YouTube, TikTok, Medium, or even a free blog on WordPress. Affiliate programs are everywhere. Amazon Associates, ClickBank, ShareASale, Impact, and even individual SaaS companies like Notion or Grammarly. The key is to pick a niche, maybe tech gadgets, fitness, personal finance, or online tools, and build content around that. Use ChatGPT to batch create 20 articles or 10 scripts in one day. Schedule them. Watch your content work for you around the clock. You don't have to hold inventory. You don't have to ship anything. All you do is connect the buyer with the product and let the AI do the heavy lifting. It's passive income, and it starts with 0.5. Online education with AI. Teach smarter, not harder. Last but not least, online education powered by AI. This one is exploding. People are hungry for knowledge, and if you have something to teach, literally anything, you can turn that into a business. The catch? You don't need to be a professor or a certified expert. You just need to know more than your audience, and you need to know how to explain it clearly. Here's how AI helps. Use ChatGPT to outline your course. Generate lesson scripts. Use ElevenLabs or Play.ht for voiceovers. Turn text into presentations with Gamma.app. Create quizzes and handouts in seconds. And guess what? You can host your courses for free on platforms like Teachable, Gumroad, Google Drive, or even YouTube. Popular niches include language learning, coding for beginners, AI skills. Yes, you can teach prompt engineering. Personal finance productivity hacks Canva design. You name it. And if you want to go even bigger, use AI to turn your course content into ebooks, email series, or YouTube tutorials. You'll reach more people faster. Monetization? You can sell courses, offer premium memberships, or get paid through ad revenue. And remember, people don't buy information, they buy transformation. If you can help someone go from confused to confident, that's worth paying for. Conclusion, wrap up, and call to action. So there you have it. 5 AI business ideas you can start right now with $0. Chatbot services? Help businesses automate and connect with customers. AI copywriting? Use smart tools to write for profit. Prompt engineering? Master the art of talking to machines. Affiliate marketing? Leverage AI to sell without selling. Online education? Teach what you know and let AI help you scale. Each of these ideas has one thing in common. They're powered by your creativity and action. The tools are free. The opportunities are endless. But the results? That depends on you. So ask yourself this. Will you look back 1 year from now and wish you'd started today? Or will you take that first step now and build something that changes your life? Let me know in the comments. Which of these ideas speaks to you the most? Have you already started one of them? What's holding you back? If you got value from this video, do me a favor. Like, share this with a friend, and subscribe. Create my route for more deep dives on how to make money, build freedom, and thrive in the AI revolution. Remember, it's not about how much money you have. It's about how smart you move. Thanks for watching. Now go build something amazing.